Hey guys, this is Pete from Hoyt Street. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust the belt tension on your belts of the EL1. What you'll need is a skate tool, some medium strength thread locker. I like this 290, Loctite 290, because it wicks. You don't have to remove the entire screw. You'll need an M4 stubby Allen wrench, and if you're using this wicking thread locker, you're going to want something to clean up the drips. So to start, we're going to need to loosen these 3 screws. So those are what hold the motor mount in place. So just a couple of quarter turns is all you need on each one. This one is the reason we have a stubby Allen, because it's hard to get to. Okay, so now you can see, let me loosen this one a little more. So you can see that if I squeeze like that, then the belt gets loose. If I let it go, it self-tensions. The self-tension is a little tight, so what I like to do is actually squeeze the belt a little bit. When I'm squeezing it, then I'll tighten those 3 screws back up. So once you get that first one tight, it'll hold it in place, and you can compare your belt tension from one side to the other. You can see if you like how loose it is or if it's too tight. And if it is too tight or too loose, then you can just back off that one screw and try again until you get what you like. And that feels pretty good to me, pretty even across both sides. So I'm just going to tighten up the other 2. So all 3 of those are tight, still feels good. So now you want to Loctite those screws in place. So since I have a wicking thread locker, I don't need to back them out to put it on. I just need to take off this wheel. So I'll do that. So there's my axle nut and my speed ring. You don't want to lose that. Pull the wheel and spin, pull the wheel and spin until it comes off. So there is that. Now I'll turn it up on its side. Okay, so now that we've got the wheel off, you can see the 3 screws that we just tightened down. So I'll take my wicking thread locker and just do a drop on each one of those so it will wick in to the screw and the nut. And it's hard to not get too much, so just 1 drop will do. And then I'll use a cloth to dab up the excess so it doesn't drip. And then we can put the wheel back on. Sometimes the bearing spacer can get misaligned, so I just stick something in there to help it get aligned. And then pull the belt up onto the wheel pulley and spin the belt. And then you can walk it on, and once it's on, you can push it down like that. Then you get your speed ring and your axle nut. Tighten that down. Oh, wrong end. And once it gets tight, back it off a quarter turn so you don't squeeze the bearings too much. And that's how you do it. So now my belts feel great, and the tension is even on both sides. That's how you do it, and that's how you adjust the belt tension on the EL1.